Hey everyone, welcome back, guys, and those who are new, hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today is, I don't know how many episodes I have probably made of this, but yeah, today is Thursday and today is my day off, which means I have to work on the weekend. Not happy at all. But yes, today is my first day off and I have tons of things to do. I've literally have a list here to do, but the first thing is to clean my floor because it looks absolutely shit. And just now 5 minutes back, I've broken my selfie stick tripod stand. So yeah, what I started today, but we have tons of stuff to do. I have to cook food for next 3 days as well. So let's just start the day without wasting any minute. Let's go. Hey guys, so it's 11:48, which is perfect for us. We are right on track. I have finished two of my tasks, and I've also finished practicing some questions for my upcoming test. So yeah, I am right on track. I think the only thing now I have to do is I have to find some clothes in one of my luggage, and I don't really know where my stuff is, so I have to find that, cook, and I have to wash some coats as well, which is absolute torture. It's not an easy thing to do that, trust me. It's the worst thing you can do because it takes 4 to 5 days for them to get dry completely. So yeah guys, let's finish that task and just enjoy. So the editor me decided that you only watch half of the ASMR and the rest I would just record a time lapse because it took me 2 hours to cook this thing, so I cannot cook and record everything for you guys and post it here. So enjoy. This is my lunch for today and possibly the dinner as well. And here we are preparing our pai bhaji, and hopefully we will finish this within 1 hour. Hopefully.
Deal that can be measured by how good I feel in my space and in my life. It's the result of doing the things that make me feel aligned to my authentic self.
And here I am enjoying my view. The school is over. So yeah, kids are going back home. I'm having my spearmint tea to handle my hormones, which are everywhere. And I think in these moments we just feel so much like gratitude, because usually I'm someone who does not feel gratitude at all if things are going extremely wrong. I need to have like a day off or two to realize that okay, it's fine, even though everything is going downhill, nothing is going right in my life, and I am stressed, but I still can choose to be happy. And that's what I was feeling at this point of time. Like, I am happy. Hi everyone, it's 6:47 and हमने खाना खाने के बाद और खाना बनाने के बाद पूरा टाइम सिर्फ बेड पे वेस्ट किया है। मैंने पता नहीं कितनी सारी यूट्यूब वीडियोस देख ली है। एक वीडियो मैंने चलाते चलाते एस्ट्रोलॉजी की भी देख ली है। सो यस, आज तो मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा चिल की है। हमने सारे काम भी ख़त्म किए हैं, तो हम बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं, ठीक है। पर अब हमें 3 दिन काम करना है एंड देन फिर हमें एक और ऑफ मिलेगा। बट यस, अब मैं चाह रही हूँ कल के पाव भाजी के लिए पाव बनाने और अभी खाने के लिए, ठीक है। सो लेट्स गो। Hello guys, it's the next day and we are going for our shift at 6:45. Our shift will start at 8. So yeah, it takes us like almost 2 hours to get there, and in the evening it's same, like 2 hours to get back. Let's finish this shift. I'm not gonna say I'm excited. I'm just too bored to go to the work and do the same thing. But yeah, it's a nice day and it's sunny as well. So let's go. When I say my hospital is in the middle of nowhere, I actually mean it. It's like it's in the middle of a jungle. Like the whole way is through a jungle. So I was not kidding. It's actually in the middle of nowhere. Just finished my lunch and let's go back down. Just finished the shift. I mean, not just. It's been like an hour. Just going back now to the accommodation. And it's 30 degrees Celsius. Very nice weather. I like this weather. If only I had a car, it would have been much better because then I could use the AC. But in bus, it's absolutely shit because it's so hot in the bus. But I think it is what it is. We have to manage it with the buses. But this weather is the perfect weather for me. I would love to live like this. You can wear less clothes, you can enjoy. You just have to wear sunscreen and everything would be fine. Yeah, oh my god, I like this weather so much. I hope it stays like this for at least 2 months. I'll be very thankful to UK if it stays like this. But yeah, today's day is ended. Hello. Today is Saturday and I think I'm the only one in this changing room. Let's get changed quickly so that we can go to the main office. Bye-bye. It's a nice weather today, like guys. Well, it's the end of Saturday as well. And it's 23 degrees Celsius, which is nice. Looks beautiful. And this is how I look. Very red. It's fine. We are just like used to of this face. Let's just go back to our place. Hey guys, look, I got some flowers. Well, my shopping is done for Monday. That means I don't have to shop on Monday and I can just rest and do nothing. I hate shopping. And yeah, That's the end of Saturday. I have one more day to work, and then I'll have one off, and then 4 more days to work. Let's just see how this goes, because my original scheduled day offs were not like this. It was 7 days of continuous work and 2 days off. But apparently my body was not doing well with that. So yeah, let's see. See you tomorrow. Bye. Here I am screening all the patients and all the patients that were allocated to me to see how their blood pressure is doing, how their hemoglobin is doing, and all sorts of observations, along with what the other therapist did the day before. And basically it's just like screening to make our lives easy, so that when we go and see the patient, we don't feel like, oh my god, what's happening here, I don't even know what they did yesterday. So it's basically complete screening and seeing if there is something wrong with the patient so that we can escalate it to the doctors. But it's actually quite simple, and now I'll go and see the patients. After that, I restocked some office stuff like batteries and notepads because we use them quite a lot. I needed some other things as well, but we didn't have them. So then I finished my lunch, came back, and now I'm trying to complete all the notes without confusing patients, because when you see so many patients together, it's hard not to mix them. So you just have to wait and think properly and see what the plan is for the next day. Since I was not working on Monday, that means I have to be very precise and very detailed of what I did and what's going to happen tomorrow. So it's a lot of work, but it's fun as well. It's nice to see patients with so many different cultures and backgrounds, and then some of the patients you meet are like so good. You literally, I spend like an hour just doing their therapy and talking to them, but it's nice. The only thing I don't like is this note writing, because there's always like at least 2-3 pages to write. I hardly write less than 1 page. It's always 2-3 pages of stuff to write, what they said, what we did. But yeah, it's part of my job and it's nice.